That's number 49. So now that we've spent 2 days exploring the beautiful Florida Keys, we are on day 3 of the trip, and we are currently in line at Starbucks, and after that we're going on an airboat tour in the Everglades. So stay tuned. Alright guys, we're here at Everglades Holiday Park. It's just outside of Fort Lauderdale. We're now getting ready for our airboat tour, and hopefully we see some gators, some manatees. Can't wait to get on this thing. I really hope you guys enjoyed that footage from our airboat tour. It was really cool. Our captain was awesome. He went out of his way to make sure that we saw an alligator. But now we're gonna head to Shark Valley. We're hopefully gonna rent some bikes, hopefully see some more gators and awesome wildlife. Well, we got our bike rentals at Shark Valley, and we're going down the trail right now to the observation tower, and maybe we'll see some gators on the way or some other cool wildlife. Guys, we have not been here that long, and we have now seen 10 alligators. There's another one right there. Absolutely loving the good old Everglades National Park Express bike. This thing is great. Look at all these gators. Got one there, 2, and then 3 over here. Oh, you know, just out here taking selfies with alligators. Guys, we have now seen 26 alligators. We're not even halfway to where we're going. If you want to come see alligators in the Everglades National Park, Shark Valley is definitely the place to go. So we just passed mile marker 5 on the way to the tower, and the tower is at 7.5 miles. We're almost there. Almost. Number 48. And that is the 50th alligator that we have seen today. 50 alligators. All right, guys, so after a 7.5 mile bike ride, we have finally made it to the observation tower. And I guess I didn't know that this completely loops around. So there's a whole other section that we haven't seen yet. We've currently seen 57 alligators. Let's see how many more we can see today. Well, we quickly realized that going around the loop, you're not gonna see probably any gators at all because it's not near the little river that you go by. So we're just gonna head back the way we came. This is the beautiful rust bucket the National Park gave us for $20 to rent. Well, that's it for our time here at Everglades National Park. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.